Good morning and welcome back to Nelson Creek Farm. I'm Farmer Dave and we're doing a little bit of yard work with Stinky today. So if you like seeing old tractors in action, stay tuned. We're going to be on this one and maybe another one. This is what we're up to today. Got to get the weeds along the roadside mowed. Some of those are more than 8 inches above the top of the hood of Stinky, the 8N Ford tractor. And some of it is darn thick and tough. Too bad I'm not growing this for hay. First gear and full throttle is about all Stinky's going to want to do with this today. And about a half a cut of the tall, thick stuff. You never know what you're going to find out here. Got an antifreeze jug. And down a little further is a great big old stainless steel ring of some sort. Welcome back to the farm, everybody. It is a beautiful Tuesday, the 28th of June, 2022. And yeah, despite all the weird weather we've had this spring, with low temperatures down in the 30s, 40s, and 50s, yesterday and today are going to be bumping 100. Yeah, real weird temperature swings. In fact, the state capital, Boise, yesterday set a record of 104. So, yeah, we better get these weeds and grasses cut down before I have a fire hazard. That right there is the flywheel effect that one of these mowers can have on a tractor, and it's really dangerous on a tractor that does not have a live PTO on it. You have to have an overrunning clutch coupler up at the front there, or else that spinning shaft is going to propel that tractor. That little thing right there is the old overrunning clutch. We're going to use it on Stinky today instead of the brand new one. So why am I using the old overrunning clutch when I have a brand new one in the shop waiting to go? Well, Stinky leaks so bad out of that PTO shaft, it's going to lubricate that overrunning clutch. That, and because of that leak, I don't want to install that overrunning clutch as a permanent feature and just leave it on the tractor. So until I get either a new PTO shaft and seals put in, or just the seals, that old overrunning clutch is easy to come on and off of there because I can drop the pin in and out instead of having to tap it in with a hammer. So I lose less oil screwing around attaching it. One of the other things I did was I removed the top link from this pin to that one right there. And the reason why I do that is really evident in that last little bit of video where I was filming the back end of the tractor back here. Without that top link running through there, the 3-point hitch lift arms, that one and that one, can still lift the mower, but it makes the mower ride on the back wheel, and if there's any uneven ground, it'll float over the top of it instead of plowing straight through it. Somebody did make a top link out of a piece of chain, and they were selling it through Northern Tool or somebody, just for a mower situation. What it does is it flexes, unlike the rigid top link, and that helps with that undulation up and down over high spots and low spots and whatever. But yet if you need to lift the mower, it can still pick it up and pack it in the air. Unfortunately, Stinky can't lift that high, and you got to have the PTO running to make the thing work a hydraulic pumps to even lift it in the first place. So yeah, we just do what we can with what we got. Say, what do you call a priest that's become a lawyer? Give up? He's a father-in-law. I'm going to get back to mowing this, and because there's a ditch in here and I need to have my concentration on that ditch and the rough spots where that front end loader tried to sink itself and take out part of the fence this last winter, I'm going to leave you behind, but I'm going to get this part done, and then we'll pick you up and keep on filming. It never fails to amaze me at what I find along the roadside. There's a serial number for the Coca-Cola company. Yeah, it is a mod urn from Coca-Cola. Yeah, had Coca-Cola in that stupid thing. It's all stainless steel, and I found it with my mower. I don't know if you can see me waving at you back here. I'm 5'10" and I'm eyeball high to this one weed right here, and those over there are taller than I am. And I don't know that I can get Stinky down along the inside of this fence line because of that ditch I dug. I didn't drug it. I did kind of drag a plow, but anyway, I made a ditch through here that's an overflow for the duck pond. Well, that ditch has got plenty of water in it, so these first few trees are getting watered. I don't know how far down that water goes, so maybe I'll go ahead and attempt it. If I get stuck, all I gotta do is go get another tractor and pull Stinky out. That's gonna wrap up part one of our two-part Stinky versus Mother Nature. I'm trying to keep these videos short, and during a little bit of editing, I realized I was already over 10 minutes on this one. So we will finish up this video tomorrow or Thursday. Anyway, the video will be out in the next day or two. And as always, thank you for subscribing. Thank you to the new subscribers. We're going to try to hit 400 this month. Don't know that it'll happen unless y'all that aren't subscribers click on that red thing right down over there in the yonder corner there. So subscribe on it. If you would, we got a little competition going on between myself and Old Red Tractors. So anyway, keep on watching and stay tuned for part two of Stinky versus Mother Nature. Until then, I'm Farmer Dave. Y'all be careful out there. Take care and bye-bye for now.